Well, it's that time of year again. National Ceiling Fan Day. September 18th, 2021. So, in my brother's room, we got these Silent Breathe Hugger 2 ceiling fan. That's what the title says, Hampton Bay. I think I forgot this is its remote. Pretty nice fan. And in the kitchen, we have this made to Hugger ceiling fan. This is its wall control. Let me turn on the lights. Yes, it's a pretty nice little fan. Going up to the hallway, we have wobbly fan of all time. We usually keep it on medium because it's so wobbly. Even though it's on the. And here we have the newest fan. That's I got March, and it's very slow. And give its wall control. I forgot to mention that they all have wall controls. This one has 2 wall controls. That one down there. This one has that wall control. This one this last one has this wall controller. So this one is a Hugger one. Loves its portion to the fan, just to the light. And this is its remote. Let me turn on the lights for you. So, there you go. Hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned for more.